Get a random Boolean by percentage. I'm trying to get a random Boolean, but with a weighted percentage. For instance, I want the user to pass in a percentage, i.e. 60, and the generator will randomly select true 60% of the time. What I have is this. Is there a better way to do this? This seems inefficient and cumbersome. I don't need it to be perfect since it is just used to simulate data, but I need this to be as fast as possible. I've searched Google/so and have not found any other questions for this.
Just return the test. Because the result of a is lower than operator is already a Boolean. You do not need to give a starting value either. Note that you need to use lower than if you want true to be returned for a given percentage. If % equals 100 then you want true all of the time, e.g. when all values that rand range produces are below the % value.
How about
At Rijebes you asked for a function which returns true in x% of time. When x equals 0%, it should always return false. When x equals 100%, it should always return true. The current accepted answer is now fixed and has the proper relation.
just use PyProb's library? It is very easy to use.